how to find appearance settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find appearance settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find the settings in the top corner. Click on it and then click display here, and here you will find it. Now all you need to do is you can manage it here. You can make it dark mode or light mode, and just by one click, as you see. And then go back, just select anything you want and go back. It will be saved. And that's how to find the appearance settings on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.